Welcome, dear creatives. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful fascinator headpiece. If you're a beginner, you can do this. It is beginner friendly. You need your Alice band, you need your feather, you need your sunflower, and then you need your matching color of needle and thread. Now we're going to get started. We'll be quick and fast, straight to the point. I just took my feather. I'm going to place it on my Alice band, and then I'll use my matching color of needle and thread to just stitch this firmly onto my Alice band. So now that I've firmly attached my feather onto my Alice band, the next thing I'm going to do is to attach my sunflower. Yes. If you do not have a sunflower, feel free to use any flower of your choice. But if you want it to come out this exactly like mine and this beautiful, you should look for your sunflower. Also, feel free to wrap your Alice band before you start attaching your feather and your sunflower. I want to welcome you so much. If this is your first time of stopping by, thank you for stopping by. And then if you're a returning subscriber, oh, thank you for coming back. Thank you so much. If you are watching me right now, you're watching my DIY and you have not subscribed, I beg you, can you kindly click on the subscribe button and then click on the notification bell so that YouTube notifies you whenever I post my weekly DIYs that I drop every Wednesday by 3 p.m. You do not want to miss any of our DIYs. Feel free to ask your questions in the comment section and I'll do my best to answer them as much as possible. Keep watching and learning. Remember to practicalize. I would love to see your fascinators. So you can see how beautifully our fascinator is coming out. At this point, I'm trying to make sure I do a perfect finishing. You can see all the parts I kept on pointing at. Those parts, I will just use my glue to um, gum, put a little glue, use some parts of the feathers to cover up that part, so that it comes out very neat. You can also decide to use some parts of your sorry, not parts of the feather, parts of the flower. You can also decide to use some parts of your flower to cover up the inside of your Alice band that you stitched instead of using an interlining. So this is it.